I am M. Vaishnavi. Today we're gonna solve maths homework 4 problem. Let's get into the video. This is the question given to us. This is in the form of an ellipsoid. And in this question we have to find the volume of the largest rectangular box with edges parallel to the axis that can be inscribed in this particular ellipsoid which they have given. So first, let us assume that g of x comma y comma z is 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square is equal to some constant which is 36 given over in the question. And as we know, the maximum volume of the rectangular box in one octet would be x into y into z. So I considered it to be some function xyz, which is this is the volume of the rectangular box only in one particular octet. So if this is the volume in one particular octet, so the total volume would be 8x into y in 8 into x y z, which is equal to v of x comma y comma z. This is what I assume. There are two methods for solving that particular question which we have. One is the Lagrange's multipliers method and second method is through partial derivatives. Now we are doing the Lagrange's multiplier method. Here we can understand by this formula that gradient of f is equal to Lagrange's multiplier into gradient of g. So since we know this is f and this is g, and we know that the gradient of any function, suppose k, is written in this form. So by using this we get this. So by equating LHS and RHS with the with their respective unit vectors, we get yz is equal to lambda into 18x and xz is equal to lambda into 72y and xy is equal to lambda into 8z. So for equating all of these three equations, we have to multiply each of the ones so that we get x, y, z, which will make all of these common. So multiplying here we'll multiply this equation with x, this equation with y, and this equation with z. Matlab, which is the missing terms in these equation, we'll multiply with that. So we get xyz from the first equation, we'll get it as lambda into 18x square, and from the second equation xyz will be equal to lambda into 72y square, and from the third equation xyz will be equal to lambda into 8z square. So we know by as we know all these three equations are equal, we know that lambda 18x square is equal to lambda 72y square is equal to lambda 8z square. As we know that lambda is not equal to 0, so we can cancel lambda from here and we get 18x square is equal to 72y square is equal to 8z square. Let us take some constant c. All of these are equal to some constant c. So that implies that we get x square is equal to c by 18, y square is equal to c by 72, and z square will come out to be c by 8. By substituting these three equations or the three values what we have got in this particular equation, we'll see what we'll get. So that is 9 into x square, which is c by 18, plus 36 into y square, which is c by 72, and 4 into c by 8, which is z square, is equal to 36. So that would give us 3c by 2 is equal to 36. That implies c is equal to 24. Now as we know the value of c and x square, y square, z square in the form of c, we get x as 2 by root 3, y as 1 by root 3 and z value as root 3. By as we know xyz values, now we'll substitute that in the volume equation v of x comma y comma z, as we know the values of x comma y comma z, which is 8xyz. So that would be equal to 8 into x value is, we know that it is 2 by root 3, y value 1 by root 3 and z value root 3. So that would give us 16 by root 3 as a V max. So now the volume of the largest rectangular box whose edges are parallel to the axes that can be inscribed in an ellipsoid is it will be 16 by root 3. Thank you.